Here we have an example of a fabric that has a half drop pattern repeat. First we need to find the full pattern repeat, and this is a distance between the patterns as they repeat themselves up the length of the fabric. Now what stands out really well on this fabric is this woodpecker here with the red head. So to find the full pattern repeat, we're going to measure from the point on this woodpecker to the one above it to find out how far apart they are. So I'm going to take it from the tip of the beak to the tip of the beak up here, and you can see that this full pattern repeat is 62 centimetres. Now that will be the same no matter where you measure from in the pattern. You can measure from the top of this bird to the top of this bird, or from this little thrush's eye up to the next one's eye, and it will always be 62 centimetres. With a standard pattern repeat, you would expect to be able to join in exactly the same point horizontally across the width of the fabric. So if we take this bird here, and I've laid up my measure just underneath the bird's eye, it's about ½ centimetre down from the bird's eye, and I've laid it all the way across, I would expect there to be another bird on this side of the fabric that I could join that beak up to. That would be on a standard pattern repeat. But because this has a half drop, we have to look further up the selvage to find the bird. Now if I measure down from just below the bird's eye down to the tape measure, you can see that this is 31 centimetres, and that is half of a full pattern repeat. So this is why we call it a half drop pattern repeat, because the join is shifted half a pattern repeat either up or down depending on where you cut your fabric.